Hey everyone, alright, checking back in here with attempt number 3. Red light, it failed. I'm not saying that the extruder gear is not spinning on tool head number 2, so we're going to be testing that out. At this point, I don't really care how many attempts it takes, we will print this thing in one go on the Prusa. I know that, it runs higher risk doing it, but isn't that the point of this price point on a high-end printer, that you should be able to do these types of prints? So we're going to keep attempting, see what we got to change to try and get it done. We're still waiting on the heater for the 4th tool head. We'll check tool head number 2 to see what's going on with the gear. Look at trying to fix that from some of our previous videos and see what's going on there. But we will keep printing. But this is failed number 3 on it, and we'll update you going forward. Alright guys, just checking back in here. So we've been printing this thing for about a day now. We're sitting at roughly 30%. No issues on this one. This is attempt number 5 on this guy. And as I said in the first part of this video, we're just going to keep printing this dang thing until we get it successful. Everything looks pretty good on it. No issues, no complaints, nothing's been beeping this time around. We ran out of filament on one of the spools, so we had to change it out. But that's been pretty much it. Everything else is going well on it. So fingers crossed it stays good. This one is updated to the newest firmware. On the older Prusa here, we still have about 7.5 hours left on this print. And then this one is done. We're finally going to get wrapped up on these slash figures here, and then we can start this guy on the other half of this body. But yeah, everything seems to be working okay today on both of these printers, so we're happy about that. And we'll update you guys tomorrow. We'll put tomorrow's check-in as the third part of this video. Hey everyone, just checking in here. Sorry, it's been a couple days. We got strep throat, so we're a little sick. They made it to about 38%, then failed. Same thing, extruder 2 gear was not spinning, so it gave another red code error. So what we're doing, we actually took the cable secure, we took it off, and we're going to print without it and see if it's putting too much tension on the cabling. That's one of the main reasons for this failure, is it gets too tight in there. The cables hold it too tight. So this is the first test to see if that's going to fix it. So we're going to try and print once again this guy for the sixth time without that cable connector on tool head 2, and see how it goes from there. Thank you. Alright everybody, quick update on our print here, our impossible print. So this is attempt number 6. It has been going for about 2 days now. Feeling a little bit better after strep throat. We're sitting at 38%. It's making some progress. It's still doing great. From our last video, you saw that we had taken off that cable, the cable secure there, and we've got it printing without. See if it is just putting a little bit too much resistance on that dwarf board, causing the error. So far, all is good on that. Our heater for tool head number 4 just got delivered today, so we'll be putting that on as soon as this print either completes or fails. Right now it looks like it still has a couple more days left, 3 more days to be exact. Before this is done, we'll change out that heater so we can start using all 5 heads again. Over here we have our failed attempts. We're missing one. My puppy got the other one and chewed it up. So we have the current 4 of the 5 fails sitting right here. Attempt number 6 is still cruising. We did get one more order for a slash, so guess what? We're printing another one. However, this one's at 97% done, and we have enough spare parts to finish completing him. And then once that's done, we're going to take some time and get our print station cleaned up and organized. It's getting a little out of control. We were kind of printing pretty fast and quick there for a little bit. So anyway, that's where we're at. The impossible print continues. 3 days time, we'll see what happens.